Well, since I did my last video, we've had a bit of snow. This all came at once and it's still snowing. It snowed on Wednesday. Today's, what, Tuesday. We've got the 110 back from the blasters. So now the handicap starts, because I really wanted to do a lot of that work outside. But I can't because I'm running short of space. There's the Sankey done. Range Rover's got to be done yet, but I've only got a small garage. Everybody will have to wait. You'll have to wait because I've only got one pair of hands. Anyway, let's go and have a look. It's not bad. It's quite good. So let's get a big light. So look at the difference now. You see that? Why didn't he do that first time? You know, like, look underneath. It's all nice and shiny and painty. Just as it should be. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't reflect very well, does it? But anyway, first job is I'm going to refit the suspension. I'm going to have to make some brake pipes. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. A lot of work to do though. Really a lot of work to do. So I want to get the engine in and running. I want to do everything at once. I'm like a kid at Christmas. I just want to get it all done. I've got to have to replace this inner panel. Just look at this. You can see the stars. Yep. So it's all right. You know, the frame is a bit pocked. You know, from rust, but on this thing here, this cross member needs replacing. That's all rotten. And he's done all inside here, all underneath. You know, taken all that underseal off. I don't know if you can see. Taken all the underseal off. Give it a right old good blasting. So, I am now going to have a cup of tea, because this has been outside and it's been about -5. So we'll leave it until the snow melts off and dries out a little bit, and then we'll get on with it. I was going to power wash it off outside, but man, it's going to be a problem. So we'll have to do that later when we get it running. I'd like to get the engine and gearbox in today as well, but we got all sorts of problems. Look how, you know, like, he didn't do these because he said they were just going to blow away, and they weren't replacing anyway. There's so many things to replace. Oh well, that's Land Rover's fare. Yeah. So anyway, that's an update. That's an update on the 110.